If you like to subscribe, please ring the bell. And like, subscribe to our channel.
What are you making today?
Slime.
And what do you need?
Baking soda, eye drops, and glue.
Okay, first,
First, we need to add baking soda,
what is this?
glue, then need
Some.
baking soda.
Okay.
That's it. Now time to make. Yeah. Then we need eye drops. We need food coloring, then eye drops. So I will put the eye drop, and I'll get the food coloring. Add the food coloring, and then time to make. Mix. So here we go. Now let's actually see how this slime is like this. So add the content solution. I will add. You will add it together. Then you mix, and I'll add to them. You see how it turns out almost like slime. Then you decorate it with a little bit of glitter. Let me get it. Mix it until the slime didn't stick on the sides. Here, we have lots of glitter. You can decorate whatever you want. Make sure you don't add too much. Now it's done to mix. Now let's add the glitter. Now we need to add the glitter. Not yet. But so. And then we need to have our hands ready. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. Slimy. So slimy. Super duper slimy. So put it for a while. Then Mommy, there's some dropped. Oh no, it's on your dress. Don't put it in your hair or your clothes, or it will like Emily. Hey, put it on my clothes. A super duper. Mommy, can you help me put that? Now, this slime, is sticky, and then you have to mix it till it's not sticky. First you have to stretch, then pull, then stretch, then pull, repeat. So if it's sticky to your hand, then do some more or get it in the slime. So I'm using this purple glitter. It's going to be a little messy. If it's in a bowl, it's okay. Don't add too much, or it will not be fun. Then you have to mix it. Mix and mix. You can actually see the glitter, but not too much. Over here, there's a lot. It's turning out good. You can actually see how it turns out when you stretch it like this. And it's fun. But make sure you don't put it in your hair or your shirt or in the carpet, because that is so hard to get off. Like, you stick it forever, and then if it's in your hair, you have to cut it. If you like my video, give me a like. Bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching.